Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about new chapter, that is trigonometric ratios of compound angles. See, in previous class we learned trigonometric ratios. Here, ratios of compound angles. Compound means we are mixing or summation or not a single. So on completion of this presentation, you would be able to know the definition of compound angles, geometrical proof for the formula sin of a plus b and cos of a plus b. Definition: the algebraic sum of two or more angles is called a compound angle. That is, if a, b and c be any three angles, then the angles a plus b, a minus b, comma a plus b plus c, comma a minus b plus c, etc. are compound angles. Let a equals to 60 and b equals to 30 degrees. What are the values of sin 60, sin 30 and sin 90? Sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2 and sin 90 1. Is sin a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b? Let a plus b equals to 90 degrees. Hence sin of a plus b equals to sin 90, that equals to 1. Sin a plus sin b equals to, that means sin 60 plus sin 30, that equals to root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, here sin of a plus b is not equals to sin a plus sin b. Hence, sin of a plus b and sin a plus sin b need not be equal. Similarly, cos of a plus or minus b, cos a plus or minus cos b, and tan of a plus or minus b, tan a plus or minus tan b need not be equal. Geometrical proof for sin of a plus b and cos of a plus b. Theorem: if a comma b belongs to R, then sin of a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and cos of a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Look the diagram. And in exam the proof is not needed. For your understanding purpose, how sin a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So to give more information, here I am explaining. So see the diagram and proof. Let a revolving ray starting from an initial position OX trace out angle XOY equals to A and take the position OY. Let it revolve further from its position OY to take the position OZ, so that angle YOZ equals to B, angle XOZ equals to A plus B. Let P be any point on OZ. Draw PQ, PR perpendicular to OX and OY respectively. From R, draw RS and RT perpendicular to OX and PQ respectively. Now, angle TPR equals to 90 degrees minus angle TRP, that equals to angle TRO, that equals to angle XOY, that equals to A. So alternative angles. So by observing the diagram you can easily know. In the right angle triangle OQP, sin of a plus b equals to, according to the ratio we can write opposite side by hypotenuse, that is PQ by OP. PQ means PT plus TQ from diagram. Next, PT plus RS, TQ is equals to RS. So in place of TQ, take RS. PT by OP plus RS by OP. So second term write in the first side, first place, and another remaining term, that is first term right side of the first term. That means just interchange. So look here, PT by OP, if in the above step is first position, now it is in second position. So that is like commutative property. Okay, next, RS by OP is there. So to the RS by OP, I am multiplying with OR and dividing with OR. So OR get cancel means RS by OP is remaining. So here PT by OP multiplying with PR and dividing with PR. So no change. So RS by OR means sin A from diagram. OR by OP means cos B. Plus PT by PR means cos A. And PR by OP means sin B. So finally we got sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In the right angle triangle OQP, cos A plus B equals to OQ by OP. OQ is written as OS minus QS from diagram. OS by OP minus TR by OP. QS equals to TR. So OS by OR into OR by OP. Here multiplied and divided with OR, and in the second term multiply and divided with PR. Next, OS by OR means cos A and OR by OP indicates cos B. TR by PR indicates sin A. PR by OP gives sin B. So cos of A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So in this class we have discussed definition of compound angles, geometrical proof of sin A plus B, that is sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos of A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So I will give you like a quiz. The question is the value of the expression sin 60 into cos 30 plus cos 60 into sin 30. So this is in the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So we can write simply sin 60 plus 30, that is sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. So answer is C. Next question, cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. This is in the formula of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos A minus B, that is cos 60 minus 30, that is cos 30. Cos 30 means 1 by 2. Sorry. Here cos A minus B, not cos A plus B. See, cos A plus B equals to, once again we will check. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, but cos A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. See, very important observation. In here sin A plus B is plus symbol comes right side also plus, but at the cos plus is changed as a minus. So cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So look here, proof also we got cos of A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So now come to the quiz. In second question, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B means cos A plus B, that means cos 60 plus 30, that is cos 90. So cos 90 value is 0. So answer is 0. So if the screen is not clearly visible, so have the PPT and then listen the video or see the video, you can clearly understand. So once again I am repeating, cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So using these formulas you can do exercise problems. Okay, try to do, and remaining we will discuss in next class. So I said the proofs for your understand, and these proofs are not comes in exam, but to clearly understand I will explain it here. Okay, so these two formulas are important, so read and write each formula 10 times at home. Okay, thank you.